once again for joining me on Mhelbeth's table. Welcome everyone. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for all my subscribers there. And also, please keep on watching my videos. Last time we cooked a recipe from Jamaica that was so delicious. And today, I'll get to show you how to make a Turkish chicken kebab. So here are the ingredients. I cut a chicken thigh for squares, and then we're gonna put on the ingredients for the marination, about 4 hours to 8 hours. This is a plain yogurt. It's a Greek plain yogurt, half a cup. A tomato paste and a tomato sauce. Garlic. Paprika. Cumin. A little bit of cinnamon. Black pepper. Lemon juice. Teaspoon salt. And olive oil. About 2 tablespoons olive oil. Mix this together. And marinate this for about 4 hours to 8 hours. Correction for the tomato sauce, it's a tomato ketchup that I put in here. So let's marinate this and we will cook after at least 8 hours. Okay, see you later. Ito na yung na-marinate natin na chicken. So, I would always like to put a crushed chili peppers, pero last ko nilalagay kasi I don't want it too much spicy. So, I'll just put some crushed chili peppers, about 1 teaspoon. Mix up together. And then, magtutuhog na tayo ng ating barbecue. Ito na po, magtutuhog na tayo ng ating minarinade na chicken. Mas maganda kung yung ating chicken ay pa-square at pantay-pantay ang pagkakatuhog. Ayan, we're done with this skewers. So, babarbecue na natin to. Let's go! Ayan po, nagpainit na tayo ng ating ihawan. We will just put a little bit some cooking oil, olive oil. Then, lalagay na natin yung ating barbecue. So, pwede nating lagyan ng base po pag paluto na siya. Just a ketchup and olive oil.